Hello everyone, welcome to the day 4 of our journey to mastering Facebook and Instagram ads. Today we'll be talking about one of the most crucial elements of a successful ad campaign, which is audience targeting. Let me show you.
Step 1. Head over to your Meta Ads Manager. I want to believe you already have it installed in your phone and open it. When it loads, when you finish loading, you go to the plus sign and choose your ad objective. If you follow yesterday's video, you already know how to get to this place and what this ad objective is all about. So let's assume our ad, the objective for this ad is leads generation. You want to generate leads. You click on it, you choose that option, allow to load. Alright, so when you open it, you see three different options there. You have the campaign, which is the first one at the top. You have campaign, ad set, which is the second one. Then the ad, this is where you do your ad creative, the write-up and the images or the video you want to put in your ad. This is where this ad creative is where you edit that. Why this middle one? This is where you have the audience target. This is where you target the audience. Let's go back to the first one again. This is where you put your budget, you put your money you want to use for the ad, choose the name for your ad, then the category of ad, if it's about politics, about financial transaction, whatever thing. But that's not the main focus for today. Let's go to the middle one, the ad set. That is where we have option to target our audience. Every other thing later, tomorrow when we'll be doing the video on how to launch our first ad, you will see how we go to each of them and edit them. But today, let's stay focused let's just stick to today's class, which is audience targeting. You click on this pencil sign. That's where you now have options to edit. Yes, we're here. The first thing you see there is how to edit your location, the location where you want your ad to go to. If it's Nigeria, it's already highlighted, but if you still want to add another country to it, fine, click on edit sign. First of all, you choose Nigeria. This Nigeria, you choose it, tick it, check, you go back. Now if you still want to add another location to it, let's still click on the edit, you search, let's say Ghana. I want to add it to it. Okay, you go back. Ghana is there now. Go back and save. So these are the two locations you want your ad to run. If there's still any within these two countries, if there's any region you don't want your ad to go to, you can also narrow it down. So you see the purpose. See how discreet, how precise everything is. So let's add. So let's say we don't want our ad to go to this particular place. Let's say in Nigeria we don't want our ad to go to this state, Kogi State. Should you type it, you click on it. When it is selected, you go back, you save it. So you don't want your ad to go to Kogi State. Let's still assume within Ghana you don't want your ad to go to a particular location. For example, let's say Kumasi, Ghana. It shows it. When you pick that option, you go back and save. So you see how beautiful it is. You are very precise in this audience targeting. So you now have the next option, detailed targeting. You want to give all the detailed information to Facebook and Instagram to work with. Now under this detailed targeting, the first one is include people who match. Now you might have a particular interest group you want to target. So this is where you do that. So which interest group you want to target? Click on it. So let's assume people that are into sports. Click on sports. See, so sports manager, sports PC, whatever. So you can choose whichever. I'm just using this as an example. Sports. What am I typing? Sports. Okay. So you can pick it, click on the plus sign and add it. So it means that you want your ad to go to this particular interest group. It could be music, people that like a particular music or so. You know what you are, who you want to target, you save it. So we're done with that. Now you can also exclude a particular set of people. That's where this second option comes in. Let's add, click on it, where to edit. So please, whenever you are running ad, pay rapt attention. Listen to this. Whenever you are running ad, don't let your ad go to these two sets of people that use featured phone that are not Android. Those small phones, they don't have good purchasing power. Don't waste your money on running your ad to them. Featured phones and people that uses 2G network. So you click on this search button, you put featured phones, featured phone. Let's be clear here. Okay, look at it. Say Facebook access mobile featured phone. Click on it, select it. You don't want people that uses this. Then you go back, you've already selected it, that you save it. Now we're still there. Let's remove people that use 2G. People that use 2G network, they will not buy from you. You just waste your ad budget. 2G network, say 2G. You see the second option, say Facebook access network type 2G. Highlight it and save. So we are done. The next one is the age range. People you want to target, what age bracket are they? But if you get to this stage, it means you are getting value. So if you are getting value, I want you to comment in the comment section smart ideas. Just write smart ideas. So if you have done that, thank you. Let's go. So the age, minimum age of people that you want this ad to go to. If it's 18 and above, whatever. If it's 20 and above, it's 30. But it's better I don't know, let me not choose for you. Let me just say 20 years and above. So we have 20. Then maybe the maximum age I want this ad to go to, let me just say 50. Depending on what service or what product you are selling. Then you now go to gender. If your product or your service is for all gender, you allow it to be for all. If it's for men, you click on it. If it's for female, you can also edit, click on female. So this is how to target your right audience. See, we are very detailed here, we are very specific, we are very precise, we are straight to the point. So when you do it this way, it will allow this Facebook and Instagram algorithm to carry your information, the ad you are going to run, to these people precisely without beating around the bush. Now, as always, I also have a task for you. I want you to go to your Meta Ads Manager. Follow this step that I've just done. Play with all these options. Play with all of them. Try a way to, just familiarize yourself with it. Because in tomorrow's video, we head over to launching our first ad campaign, so that when we get to that tomorrow's class, it won't be too strange to you. You already have some foundation to build on. And also, there's already a video, a do it yourself video on how to run a successful ad campaign. With this video, you can help yourself to always do your ad on your own without going through all the hassles of all this many wahala, whatever. So if you want that, there's a link to it that you can request for, or I might put it in my bio. And also, if you also want top professionals to handle your ads for you, you are free to always hit my DM. Now let's assume after doing all of that, you can click on this next option. You see preview. Previous is to go back to this campaign. The next is to go to the next one, but we don't want to go to the next one. We'll talk about that in tomorrow's video. So this is how to target the right audience. I hope we are very clear with this. And finally, You can forward this to as many, share it to as many people as you want or as you like in your contact, so that they can also benefit from this free training. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Tomorrow we'll have another class. We are here to always help you to make your business, to make your brand to go viral, to be known, to be shown to all the people around the world. So let's make your art shine. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a nice day.